Today, we will be testing a moving average strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a moving average strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 589 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator on a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a moving average strategy. And so the source video says RSI free trading with this 10 times better probability indicator. And so the source video title is a little bit confusing. They're basically saying that this is a strategy that doesn't use the RSI, so RSI free trading, and that this is a 10 times better probability indicator. Now, the thing is, there definitely isn't just one indicator, and if the one indicator was 10 times better, then I imagine you wouldn't need to stack multiple indicators on top of it. And so now the strategy itself might be 10 times better than the RSI. Not really sure yet. Of course, we'll put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. So the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Sushi Trend Indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Then go ahead and jump in to the settings. Go into the inputs and make sure this is set to 3. Then under the styles, you'll uncheck this Sushi Trend option right there. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Zero Lag MA Trend Levels. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. Just double check that the length is set to 7. Then under the styles, you're going to want to uncheck these two options right here. Then go ahead and click OK. And lastly, the third indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the EMA Scalping Indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. Go into the inputs and make sure the first selection is set to 1. Second one set to 7. Last selection is also set to 1. Under the styles, you can uncheck close. You can uncheck these 3 or these 2 shapes and the MACD option there. And then under the plot background, I went into the color 2. Just turn the opacity down all the way. And so what we're looking for a short trade setup, so we're looking for when we get a bearish red tag like this here from the Sushi Trend Indicator. We then want the Zero Lag Indicator to have a blue box above us like this here. And lastly, we're going to look down to the simple EMA Scalping Indicator here, and we want it to have a red background. And once all those line up, that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above the little pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like right there. All right, let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is we're looking for a green bull tag like this here from the sushi trend. We then want the zero lag EMA to have a green box below us like this here. We're then going to look down to the EMA scalping indicator, and we want it to have a green background like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. So we'll set our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice steady push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test. Now out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades and 23 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 54% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $9,200. That would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $7,000. And so altogether, not a horrible strategy. Is it 10 times better than the RSI? I don't know if you could really say that, but altogether it did rather well. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 31 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator. We had right at a 75% win rate and a total gain right at $11,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.